Hey everyone, welcome to the UkeStuff channel. I would like to introduce you to Frankenenya. Yep, Frankenenya. So, in my video that I just recently released as a review of the Enya Nova, I had destroyed this ukulele. And it was one that was sent to me. It was in bad shape yesterday. And what I did is I glued it back together with super glue. So I started off by gluing this part. Then I glued on this part and then this little square over here. And then the base. And it is currently running Aquila sugar strings. So they squeak a little bit. But what I can't believe is that, now granted, it is not a pretty ukulele right now. That is just where the paint had chipped, but it is completely solid. And I used a lot of glue, so there were some overruns. And it looks like there was a chemical reaction that even caused, it's really easy to see, like right here, that it even, like, there's a chemical reaction taking place between the super glue and the polycarbonate / carbon fiber part of this ukulele. And the only problem that I had was I had a little bit of buzzing, and I had to actually sand down the second and third frets just a little bit, especially with the C&E strings. But I also will say that the sugar strings are a little thicker than Enya normal strings, so that may also be part of it. But you can see, you know, it's the Frankenenya. The back actually went through unscathed through the whole process. And then I supported any place that had cracks, including the bottom, with some extra super glue. So it's alive and it's usable, and I might even drag it with me to school tomorrow and show my students the Frankenenya. So that is a very, very quick review and demonstration of a ukulele glued back together, which you could probably not do with a wood ukulele. And I'll be honest with you, I am shocked that this is holding with the tension of the strings, but it is. So, I don't know, it's kind of fun. That'll be fun to have around the Frankenenya. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.